Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix sound or audio issues in Jump Space game. So here follow the fixes. On your PC, click on Windows and then open settings. Click on System on the left, then click on Sound, Advanced, More Sound Settings. Click your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. Go to Spatial Sound tab, click the drop down box and select Off. Then click on Apply and then OK. If spatial sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones instead. Then go to Enhancement tab, check mark Loudness Equalization and then click on Apply and then OK. Now launch Jump Space and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Make sure sound level in game is set to 100%. Look for audio settings within the Jump Space game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using a speaker to see if any sounds play. Now if you are using Bluetooth headphone, then here follow the steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth Devices, scroll to the bottom and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Right click your headphones and select Properties. Now go to Services tab, uncheck Hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Click Apply. Now check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4. Set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. Fix 5. Disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect such peripherals that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, additional controller, mouse, keyboard, etc. and then check. So I hope by following these fixes you were able to fix sound or audio issues in Jump Space game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.